Solve appliance repair problems instantly.
Utilizing the very newest technology, my appliance repair wizard will allow you to begin running appliance repair service calls exactly like a professional in a matter of days. Let me show you exactly how it works. When the service call comes in, you ask the customer a few simple questions, such as the brand and the complaint and type of appliance. So let's say it's a dryer, an electric dryer, and the complaint is that it's noisy. If you go to electric dryers noisy within the wizard tool, you will find a list, pictures, and an explanation of all the normal repairs that occur on noisy electric dryers. It's as simple as that. A second example would be a dishwasher complaint. Dishwasher won't drain, and there are several reasons that a dishwasher will not drain. And the wizard will take you through all of the reasons that a Bosch or a GE or a Whirlpool won't drain and how to solve the problems. That's how the wizard works. Now, of course, this is a bit of an oversimplification for a greenhorn who doesn't know how to open the appliances. So, let's take washers, washer basics, recognizing washer designs, and here you will have how to get them open, what they look like inside, how to get the tops off, how to get the fronts off of each and every design. So you can find out what the customer has and prepare yourself before you go. The Appliance Repair Wizard has some amazing features, not the least of which is a keyword search tool, which allows you to search anywhere in the tablet for models, brands, and search phrases. One of the greatest fears that servicemen have is getting a service call on some foreign brand about which they know nothing. Let's take that weirdo example. You get a range call on a dual fuel Viking. Oh lordy, what could be scarier than that? So you come into the range video and manual file, our library of thousands of manuals, and you look down and you say, wow, Viking. And then we have hoods, downdrafts, gas ovens and ranges, dual fuel ranges. Wow, can't believe it. And there you will find a selection of dual fuel ranges. Complete factory service manuals on thousands and thousands of models. I have covered just the basic overview of this amazing wizard tool. Keep in mind, it's like a multitude of encyclopedias all on a handheld tablet, independent of the web or Wi-Fi. It's yours. It works anywhere. It covers all the basics and all the sophisticated problems that you will ever see in the marketplace. In addition, of course, it also has help files that will give you parts suppliers, inventory lists, tool suggestions, brand definitions, a complete site map which allows you to scroll through the hundreds and hundreds of parts of the wizard tool.
The appliance repair world is rapidly changing. This tool is an absolute must for both a new entrant and a seasoned professional.